iCrate kit from MidWest Homes for Pets. It's 42 by 38, and it comes with a bed, 2 water or food bowls, and a privacy cover. It's going to be to house Winnie. She's a Dachshund Poodle mix. And our new acquisition. Mom was Poodle, we're not sure what he is. He's almost the same size as the Dachshund, but he only weighs 6 pounds, so he's obviously mostly Poodle. Plush bed or flooring, and this does sell separately on Amazon. 2 large bowls, water and feeding bowls, 4 cups, and handles, and a crate cover. A sheet of miscellaneous rebates, so I'll have to take a look at these and see if this product qualifies for any of them. Assembly guide, but it's really pretty obvious. And it also comes with a little guide for raising your puppy. It's also online, and there's the URL. Together, so find this latch, open it. You're gonna have to find the latches to take it apart. Lift this up, and then this whole thing, see, it's already assembled, and there's our crate, so we have to take care of the ends. We lift this section up. There's like these hooks. There's a hook here and a hook here, so I'm just going to pop that on. We're going to do the same thing here. Watch your fingers. There. Let's go do the other side. I see there's a divider piece in the middle, so I'm going to pull this out and just get that out. I'm not going to use the divider, and I have read the reviews where people say they use it to separate their animals, or they use it to make like a potty area. She would just lock it in place. There's hooks on both ends. I'm just going to slide it out the door here. Both sides of the top have 2 hooks here, 1 on each end, and then the center one has one going the other way, so make sure the center wall goes under this hook here. And I like how it has this piece here, sort of rubbery, so it won't clink when you're using it. Lay it on, and then tighten the wing nuts. Pull off very slowly, because some of the reviewers said it's hard to get the sticker off, so go very slow. Actually inside the cage now. The bowl, the rim just goes in the grooves, and you just literally push it in. Then you fill it up. Pop them on one of the top rails. Go do the other one. Down. And let it pop on. Had so far is a couple of the door hinges popped off, so I couldn't get it back on, so I've taken a flat tip and expanded them a little bit. So I'm going to put it back in place and then tighten them with a pair of pliers. And note that the hinges don't go above this horizontal piece right here. See right here? Or it'll bow out. Tighten the edges of the hinge. And I wrapped my plier tips with tape so they won't scratch up. Even though it's just for the dogs, I still want it to look nice. Note there's actually 2 doors, and both have 2 hinges. One on the side and one on one of the ends. So wherever you need to store this, you'll be able to let the puppies in and out. Cover on it, and note it's just drapes over, and then you Velcro, there's Velcro to keep the sides together. So I'm going to leave the front side open and just Velcro the back corners together. Bottom, these are rollers, so when you pull it, it rolls. Very nice. There's our beautiful finished product. I'm probably just going to leave the front flap of the cover on top with Winnie and Buddy in there, and they're just going to sleep in there, so this is perfect. I'm not going to put in the second bowl because they just need to have water at night. So this is the 42-inch by 28-inch crate. and it's humongous. It's actually way taller than I need. So I hope this is helpful. I think this is a huge discount over buying each piece a la carte. The whole thing was $80 something on Amazon. Thank you.